Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making a delicious and popular Middle Eastern dish, chicken shawarma. This recipe is super flavorful, tender, and juicy, and it's easier to make at home than you might think. So, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. Ingredients. For the chicken: 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or breasts. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon yogurt, optional. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Salt to taste. For the pita bread, optional. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon active dry yeast. 1½ teaspoons salt. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 cup warm water. For the toppings, optional. Tomatoes, diced. Onions, diced. Cucumber, diced. Lettuce, shredded. Tahini sauce. Hummus. Hot sauce. Instructions. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, yogurt, infusing, spices, and salt. Add chicken and toss to coat evenly. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to overnight for maximum flavor. 2. Cook the chicken. There are several ways to cook your shawarma chicken. Grill. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. Grill chicken for 5–7 minutes per side, or until cooked through. Oven. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Spread chicken on a baking sheet and bake for 20–25 minutes, or until cooked through. Stovetop. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil and cook chicken for 5–7 minutes per side, or until cooked through. 3. Warm the pita bread, optional. If using pita bread, warm them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 5–10 minutes, or until slightly crispy. 4. Assemble your shawarma. Slice chicken and stuff it into warmed pita bread. Add your desired toppings, drizzle with tahini sauce and hummus, and enjoy. Tips. For extra crispy chicken, marinate for longer, or broil the chicken for a few minutes at the end of cooking. You can substitute chicken breasts for thighs, but thighs will be more tender and flavorful. If you don't have yogurt, you can leave it out. Get creative with your toppings. Experiment with different vegetables, sauces, and spices. There you have it, a delicious and easy chicken shawarma recipe that you can make at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite shawarma toppings are.